Do I have to quit my current job to become a personal chef? If you already have a full-time job, you might be wondering, how am I going to go about starting my personal chef business when I already have a full-time job? If you work Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, you still will be able to do cook sessions on weekday evenings or dinner parties on Saturday evenings. When first starting out your business and you do have a full-time job, maybe just begin with just dinner parties. If you can dedicate your Saturday nights to trying out these dinner parties, then you might enjoy doing that as a side job. But if you really want your personal chef business to be your main career, you will eventually have to let that Monday through Friday job go in exchange for something that will help you transition into a career as a personal chef. When just starting as a personal chef, I worked for 2 catering companies. One catering company worked with fraternities and sororities doing luncheons Wednesday through Friday. On Saturdays, I would work weddings at the other catering company. I also worked at a coffee shop early in the mornings. I was taking on numerous side jobs just to get my bills paid while trying to get my personal chef business underway. I set a goal from the start to keep Monday through Wednesday mornings available for my personal chef business, doing meal prep for families. My business model vision was that I would do meal prep Monday through Friday, one cook session in the morning and the other in the afternoon, with the occasional dinner party on Saturday evening. It took a little over a year before I was making enough income to let all my side jobs fall away. I think if you're really serious, you do have to make yourself available on the days you ultimately want your business about. Step back and think about your big picture business model. What days do you want to work? Pretend you have nothing else going on. Your bank account is good and you want to be a personal chef. What days would you like to work? What hours would you like to work? How much would you like to make? From there, based on those goals, figure out how you can get there. The bottom line is that it's your business and you get to run it however you want to run it. Maybe being a personal chef is just a side job for you. It doesn't have to be a career. If you're interested in becoming a personal chef, I welcome you to check out the link below at virginiastockwell.com. It includes an actionable step-by-step guide to starting a personal chef business.